Hello friends, Natasha is here again. Following a recent strawberry picking at a nearby farm, I am going to show you how to make strawberry jam at home. First of all, we cleaned the berries and weighed them. We had 1 kilo, so we prepared 1.2 kilos of sugar and a packet, 13 grams, of pectin powder. We roughly cut the big berries, put them in a big saucepan and lit the gas. At this point, it was better to mash the berries a little bit so they would cook faster. I was distracted by my mum making the video, so I added the pectin and sugar straight away, which caused me to struggle to mash the strawberries. As you can see, I've added a knob of butter. They say butter helps to keep the jam foam lower. You see, it's a bit difficult to mash. Never mind, that way we will do as well. Then I grabbed a spoon and started to stir the berries while the saucepan was heated on the gas at full power. When the sugar melted, I brought the mixture to the boil. Once the jam started to bubble a lot, only 4 minutes is required before the jam is ready. I constantly kept stirring it. Next to my jam, I had a small saucepan with boiling water, which I used to dip the jar lids to make them hot. The jars for the jam I put with a bit of water in the microwave to kill all the bacteria. As soon as 4 minutes passed, I lowered the gas and quickly filled the jars with strawberry jam one after another. I got 4 jars of delicious jam, which I wrapped in a blanket and left them to cool down completely. The jam will be used to make my favourite Victoria sponge cake. I hope you will use this very easy recipe to make your own jam. See you soon. Goodbye.